Hello everyone, I love Padlet and I used it before for teaching Arabic language to my students, and I used it for workshops as well. Today we will share 5 different ideas with you on how to implement Padlet in your classrooms to increase your students' learning. The first idea is using Padlet to implement the flipped classroom strategy. Padlet allows you to have all your materials for your students stored in one place, and your students listen and answer the questions and read and answer those questions, and this allows them also to interact with each other asynchronously from home, and they come the following day prepared for listening and for communicative activities in class. And as you see here in this slide, the teacher posted some materials and students listened and watched that, and they interacted with each other by typing or recording their voices.
Another idea of using Padlet in language classroom is checking learner schemata. Before teaching new content, teachers must consider what and how learners already have learned about it. They use Padlet for warm-up activity to activate the schemata before introducing new lesson. For example, as you can see on the slide, they can pose a question and let students to share their comments related to their previous knowledge. Teachers can use Padlet to bring all kinds of media to help learners activate their schemata before learning new information.
Another idea that you can use with Padlet is for voting and for student photo competitions. You can use Padlet. When you set up your Padlet, you can set up the settings so that you allow students' comments at the bottom, and you can have a thumbs up or thumbs down. You post the questions and then you allow students to decide. This can be very effective in the classroom. Conversely, you can have the students take their own pictures and have them post pictures, and then you create a contest. You choose the topic, let the students go around and have some fun, and then use Padlet to showcase their work, as you can see here in this example.
One more idea for Padlet is to use it for blogging or vlogging. As you see on the slide, in this case we use the stream format for the Padlet. We also allow comments and reactions, maybe like the like reaction, and you can, as the teacher, start by posting a prompt that will provoke a discussion. You can add resources, you can add video, you can add audio, all sorts of media. And students can respond and post their opinions, share resources, and also either by typing or also video. They can record themselves by video or audio. And so you create a great platform for classroom discussion in the target language.
Another idea is using Padlet to establish the peer feedback culture among your students. As you see here in this slide, students had posted their recordings. They recorded themselves giving feedback to each other, and they listened to the feedback from each other. So this will help students give feedback to each other, learn together, learn from each other, and this will set up the stage for future peer mentoring. Now, after we shared 5 effective ideas on how to use Padlet in your classrooms, now it's your turn to share with us how you use Padlet with your students to increase their learning and increase their language proficiency.